A very good evening to all of you. I'm Juhi Rajput and you're watching Power News. Let's begin with the news of the week. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has tasked a committee of secretaries headed by Principal Secretary Pulak Chatterjee with quick resolution of the issues confronting the power sector, like a worsening fuel shortage and the dichotomy between the rising prices of imported coal and the power purchase pacts. The move underlines the PM's intervention in key ministries that have been struggling to sort out these issues. Singh, who met the heads of major private power companies including Ratan Tata, Anil Ambani and Anil Agarwal, asked the committee to try and ensure that all relevant issues are resolved within 3 months, failing which there would be another round table with the industry.
The demand-supply gap for coal in the domestic market has risen alarmingly in recent months, with massive capacity addition plans afoot in the power sector and production stagnation at Coal India. Policymakers have turned jittery as delays in the commissioning of these power generation units, including 2 ultra-mega power projects that will run on Indonesian coal, could endanger economic growth. The day-long marathon meetings on Wednesday saw corporate honchos moving from ministry to ministry, asking for a favorable policy climate for the power sector, where investment worth lakhs of crores of rupees are stuck due to various regulatory and global issues. Apart from the Prime Minister, the corporate leaders also met Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, Petroleum Minister Jaipal Reddy, Coal Minister Sri Prakash Jaiswal, Environment Minister Jayanti Natarajan and Planning Commission member B.K. Chaturvedi. The PM has provided assurance of an early resolution to power developers' issues. He has asked his senior ministerial colleagues to draw a roadmap in a time-bound manner so that investment in the sector picks up. The private power developers also asked for policy changes to reserve new coal blocks for regulated sectors like power and to ensure expeditious action on auctioning blocks as per the new policy and issuance of environmental clearance. The delegation sought policy changes to allow sale of surplus coal from captive mines. Further, the delegation also underlined the urgency to appoint an agency to import coal for meeting the domestic fuel deficit. No fuel supply agreement has been signed by Coal India with companies since March 2009. Around 18,500 megawatt capacity projects commissioned since then were likely to operate at 55% of their capacity due to fuel constraints. Fuel availability emerged the biggest risk faced by thermal power projects in India. Coal production has not kept pace with capacity addition and developers have been forced to import at the time when international coal prices have soared. The domestic power supply situation has deteriorated significantly and nearly 51% of the coal-based projects are operating with less than 7 days stock.
The delegation asked the PM to set up an expert group to suggest a suitable mechanism to allow tariff revision for those projects where developers' calculation on fuel costs have gone haywire, either due to change in law in coal exporting countries or because of higher blending of imported coal necessitated by the short supply of coal from CIL. For projects using domestic coal, it suggested providing compensation by way of pass-through for incremental costs spent on acquiring coal through e-auction or by way of imports, for quantities not provided against linkages accorded by Coal India. For projects based on imported coal, it suggested that recognizing the aberration caused due to unprecedented rise in coal prices and change of law driven by foreign government regulations, increments should be allowed and to be treated as the pass-through in tariffs. Here we take a short break. Ahead in the bulletin, we will have industry experts to review PM's meeting with power sector bigwigs. Keep watching Power News.
To turn movements into a ballet, you need a choreographer. To turn products into integrated solutions, you need Larsen & Toubro. L&T's engineering expertise, manufacturing capability and application experience are introducing new levels of pace, performance and convenience at major utilities around the country. Integrated solutions in electrical and automation from Larsen & Toubro.
फिर बिजली गुल, अब तो 2-4 घंटे की छुट्टी।
गांव का केबल ही घटिया है।
देश में बिजली उत्पादन का लगभग 40% भाग दोषपूर्ण, घटिया केबल और बिजली की चोरी में व्यर्थ चला जाता है। क्यों ना एक ऐसा पावर केबल चुने जो बिजली बचाए और शॉर्ट सर्किट का जोखिम घटाए। सर्वोत्तम केबल, रवीन केबल। प्राइम कैप, रवीन केबल्स उत्पादन।
जल से जल तक, मेगा वाटर से मेगावाट्स तक, SJVN Limited. The Indian member committee of World Energy Council is organizing its annual flagship event, India Energy Congress, on the theme Emerging Opportunities in Energy Sector on 23rd and 24th January 2012 at the Lalit, New Delhi. Honorable ministers, secretaries, key policymakers, CEOs and other renowned energy experts of energy sector are the key speakers and panelists. Come, be a part of it and benefit from the deliberations of this apex level Congress.